Sunrise twist through the open door. Fresh breeze whisper upon the floor. Me breathing hope, release the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me see the youth look far and wide, searching path them can't decide. Roller spin with worry tight, but me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hiding tune. Play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide. Lead them through the changing ride. Street full of voices day and night. Some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep. Hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise. Hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark every way. Truth reveal when Riddim play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride. Let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold, like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough. Teach the heart to stay enough. People join from far and near. Share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land. Warm each heart and every hand. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend. Share the journey without end. Missy mother hold her child. Calm him with a whisper mile. Missy elder smile again. Free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear. Show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith. Time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Moving long. March together hand in hand. Whoa. Build a future, feed the land. Whoa. Golden steps. Golden steps. Pure and true. Lift the spirit. True and true. When the night I feel too long. Whoa. Sing the golden morning song. Step by step, we rise again. Walk the path beyond the pain. Oh, oh, oh. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, oh. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Oh. Drums are knocking at the twilight breeze. Lion heart move gentle like the seas. Bassline hum soft and the moon so bright. Calling the spirit and guard the sacred space. Storms may roll, but me roots run deep. Through darkest hour, Jah blessings keep. Not a crown me chase, nor a throne me need. Just pure vibration, soul run free. Me see the elders reasoning wise. Teach the youth fi open up them eyes. Them say patience shape a stronger man. Hold firm to purpose, follow Jah plan. The system try distract me head, but clarity shine where hope is spread. Me chant for the ones who walk alone, to remind them strength still carve them home. Golden roots rising through the night. Guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. One bright flame we hold inside. Spread the warmth through every stride. Me hold a vision clear and tall. Unity break every wall. Me see smiles return in bitter times, and courage echo in hidden rhymes. The ground beneath me feel alive. Push me forward, help me thrive. Even when shadows closing tight, hope still whisper to stand upright. Children paint dreams in glowing shade, more colorful than what history made. Me see the future in them eyes, a brighter dawn where soon will rise. Drumbeat lift them step again, wash them sorrow, ease them pain. Me chant for joy, for reign supreme. Turn each moment into dream. Hold on steady, keep your fire. Let it guide your heart much higher. Every soul a priceless gem. Jah love cradle all of them. No division, no despair. Only truth flow through the air. Golden roots rising through the night. Guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. Golden roots forever bright. Turn the darkness into light. When the nightfall whisper low, let your natural essence glow. Golden roots keep holding you till morning sun come shining through.
Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow. Every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide. Catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep. Music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call. Big or small, it unite them all. Me hold the vibes like a sacred flame. Lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise. Glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old man hum a forgotten tune. Young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can't mend. Every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off my chest. Soundwave lift me above the rest. Harmony build like a mountain strong. Carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the soundwave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, hold we tight. Guide the path into the light. Yeah. What no no land. Yeah. What no no no. Me hear the market clash with tune. Children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line. Steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread. Lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face. Steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirits stay. No darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate. Break down wall we divide with faith. Roots musician tune the night. Guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul. Help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong. Soundwave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain. Music is the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path. Lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore. Feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep. Wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the sound wave, keep it strong. Carry the people all day long. When the world feel rough and cold, let the sound wave take control. Hold the melody near your chest. Inna the music, find your rest.
Na na na, na na na, na na na. Me touch the ground and feel the beat. Drum of life beneath me feet. Wind whisper story long before of elders who opened the door. Me feel the rhythm deep in bone. Roots call me home. Me see the youth lost in a screen. Forget what culture mean, but me still chant ancient song. Keep the roots strong. Jah message no fade. It build like shade. Every tree from seed it grow. Truth we know. Them push the plastic and the lie, but nature never die. Me see the river still flow pure. That me cure. Them concrete cover the land, but just still on. Roots deeper than them plan. Forever man. Roots never die, them live inside. Stand firm, hold it tight. Roots never die, them guide the way. Night or day, me dig me healing sacred style. Reap me toil, me no need no fancy chain. Me wear rain, roots whisper wisdom low. Just spirit glow. Every chant me send afar, shine like star. Me see the lion in a me dream, hear him scream. Guard the roots and guard the youth. Speak truth. Me wake and write me song. Keep it long. Roots vibration never cease. Bring peace. From the mountain to the sea, just set we free. No matter how Babylon try, them can't deny. Roots live on in every heart. Sacred art, yeah. Roots never die. Them live inside. Stand firm, hold it tight. Roots never die, them guide the way, night or day. Roots never die. Roots never die.
Na na na. Me step in a garden cool and bright, blessed sight. Me smell the herb, me feel the peace, sweet release. Jah in every leaf me see harmony. Me plant me seed with love and care. Open ear, every root, whole life so tight. Pure light, no poison, no greed, me sow. Just grow, Jah Garden bloom wide and clear. Me draw near, me see the butterfly and bee work naturally. Them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way each day. Jah Garden teach me grace in this place. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with me brethren round. Bless sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah hand, no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah Garden truth and song. Keep me strong. Me sit and reason with me queen. Peaceful scene, she smile and say life sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again, free from pain. Jah Garden bloom forevermore. Love restore, me no war with nature, me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. We all here, Jah Garden feed the soul, make we whole. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, girl and free, oh, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, morning need you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, wide and fair, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, morning need you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. So when me gone from this earth, remember Jah birth. Plant love, plant truth, inna the youth. Jah Garden bloom again, without end.
Na na na, na 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 na, na na na. Evening breeze on my gentle tongue, call me spirit from flesh and bone. Sky burn orange, red and blue. Horizon whisper something new. Me stand on cliff and scan the deep. Hear the memories people keep. Voices echo from distant shore. Stories old and plenty more. Me feel a pull from far away. Guide me thought like break of day. Horizon open like a gate. Teach me say the world can't wait. Beneath the clouds them forming slow. Truth appear in subtle glow. People wonder, people roam, trying to find a peaceful home. Me chance up to calm the breeze, lift the world from silent freeze. Hope return like ocean redemption time. Wash the pain from every side. Voice of the horizon call we near. Sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon, pure and wide. Guide the people as them strive. Let it echo through the land. Lift up every heart and hand. Night approach with silver gleam. Moonlight bless the flowing stream. Me hear laughter from the square. Proof say unity still they near. Elders reason bout olden days. Youth them follow the brighter ways. Horizon's message travel far. Shine like steady evening star. Me see a village break the chain. Leave behind the secret pain. New beginning come alive. Help the weary soul survive. Voices blend as one again. Guide the children through the rain. Horizon teach a lesson wise. Lift up truth before it dies. Stand tall, hold strong. Walk the path where you belong. When confusion cloud the sky, listen close, the truth can't lie. Voice of the horizon call we near. Sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon, pure and wide. Guide the people as them strive. Carry wisdom through the night. Turn them shadows into light. Voice of the horizon lead. Give the people what them need. If the road feel rough and long, let the horizon be your song. Carry the message soft and free. Find the truth meant to be. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. High above the clouds so bright. Throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace. Where the wars and sorrow cease. Every stone a crown of love. Every step from God above. Throne eternal, pure and true. Hold the path for me and you. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. Stand where prophet voice was heard. Echo every holy word. Shine the truth, it shine the flame. Lift the soul in God's true name. No king of man can take the seat. Throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule the space. Throne eternal, throne of grace. Call the children one by one. Say come home, the work is done. Heal the wounded, break the chain. Bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from seed to star. Throne of Zion guides so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. Me see the vision in me dream. Throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray. Throne will guide you every day. Teach the heart, it teach the soul. Jah creation make us whole. Keep the love, it keep the light. Throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. Never shake it, never fall. Throne of Jah command it all. From
of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king. Throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand. Rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong. Set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end. Throne of Jah forever.
Na Zion reggae man. Yeah, yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Yeah man, me feel the sun kiss me brow. Jah timing always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plan for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash this stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Na 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 na. Me not trust Babylon gold, me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life, still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer, Jah there everywhere. Yeah, me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide, Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah the will me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in a them eyes, them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war. Me teach only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect where roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow, water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Yeah, roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Boy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, me say the world still fight. Me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Yeah, me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mind. Me no worry about the Babylon fall, Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come, me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again, for heal the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow, from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care, Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong, right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Yeah. So when me gone, me song remain, flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine, all divine.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion music bless the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all, Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One Jah deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom pon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, inna me gate. Just love and vibes, me meditate. Yeah, me na follow trend, me na wear mask. Me na chase likes, me na do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. Will blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le, 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 le.
Ganja and reggae, yeah man. Me feel the heat rise from me skin, fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame, me burn for Jah name. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah the near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring. Them build wall fi divide, but Jah the inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise. Open eyes, me burn corruption, greed and lie. Under Jah sky, fire purify my heart, set me apart. Deep me feel no pain, wash me chill. Pull it on, me look round, see suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the cold, my story told. The youth I light the flame again, free from chains. Zion fire guide them home, never alone. Me born for justice, true, me born for you. The world can't sleep in the dark, me ignite the spark. No power stronger than Jah will be still. This flame never fade. Righteous made it, Jah in a Zion blaze. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep us strong. Me remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down, it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for them my spark. Still me mark, every rhythm me chant at night. Guided light, me flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge my fire for truth, not fame. Jah name, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Jah seal. Me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Jah name. We try in a Zion blade. Light the world in righteous ways, from the hills to the shore. Jah love explore, fire in a Zion. I reach the sky, burn away the wrong, keep us strong. So when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright, guide will light, will light, will light. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah. Me wake on golden sky, bird them fly. Light kiss the mountain peak, me ear just speak. Every new day, me give praise. Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean, me live me dream. No worry, no yet me whole, me spirit goal. Me see the sun bless the land, work with Jah and love shine bright like beam. Me supreme, me step through streets with smile. See a while people greet me with respect, no neglect. Golden morning, soul reborn, break the storm. Every breath me take me know, blessings flow. Yeah. Golden morning, light so true. Jah bless me and you. Golden morning, peace me feel, love so real. Me sip me tea, watch the breeze, life at ease. The youth play by the tree, so free. Me pray the world keep calm, full with song. Golden morning, teach again, nothing. Me see the elder beat the drum, chant for kingdom come. The village waking song, nothing wrong. Me know Jah plan, secure, that's for sure. Golden morning, pure delight, shine bright. Me no take darkness for friend, light transcend. Every sorrow fade away, new day, golden time, divine design, so fine. Golden morning, light so true. Jah bless me and you.
trail we guide, every stone and every mark lead the way from light to dark. Elder footstep left behind, path of wisdom clear the mind. Every mile a sacred tune, walk beneath the ancient moon. Carve a shape, the totem high, path of spirit touch the sky. Every tree remember name, path of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand, path of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true, path of mercy led with true. Healer walk with staff in hand, path of ancients heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay, path of peace still find a way. Every footstep pure and free, path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail, path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every song keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line, path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past, path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down, path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain, path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea, path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near, path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn, path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow, path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon dust may cloud the view, path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free, path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise, path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall, path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true, path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free, path of Jah eternity. Walk side by side, path of truth, remove the pride. Rise strong and free, path of Zion victory. Path of ancients wide and pure, guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small, path of mercy call us all. Forever shining, bold and new, path of life for me and you. Sacred road so strong and free, path of Zion destiny. No, Rasta is so I am on. Oh, I am on. Yo, I am on. Me wake before the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jah morning light I bless the earth, the rebirth. Me breathe in peace again. Wash wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, do everything new. Me feel Jah presence strong, where me belong. Me stretch me hand to the east, give thanks for feast. Me no worry about tomorrow, no sorrow. Me hear the drum beat start, heal me heart, me sing my praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch my face. Sacred place, Jah whisper me name slow. Blessings flow, me walk through the village lane. Hear them call my name, Rasta sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace. Till war cease, me chant the words for all. Big and small, me feel the mountain better days for come, children play in the street. Joy complete, me see the mother's prayer. Hope to the morning of Zion glow. Love overflow, yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song. Right your wrong, morning of Zion call. Stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold. See the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son the struggle long, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn a gift, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky. Me breathe Jah air pure, me secure. No darkness there, light find way. Morning glowing on my chest, Jah manifest, me sing till the day complete. Love repeat, me say the market full again. No pain, me bless the people me meet. Smile sweet, Zion morning wide and free. Harmony, me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign. All divine, oh yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song. Right your wrong, morning of Zion call. Stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So when the sun go down low, me still glow. Morning of Zion remain true, joy and pain.
Ay, star sick and the rasik.
Me hear a drum beat call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jah manifest, every tone a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk through the tongue can't say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm, steady and sure, me pure. Voice of the drum no lie, it testify. Me see the children sway along to Jah song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide across the tide. Voice of the drum call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground. Sacred sound, me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile. Feel a while, drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call, unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound. Rebirth found, every hit a prayer call. Heal we all, drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Voice of the drum, beat divine, line to line. Voice of the drum, set free eternally. Whoa, 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 So when the night feels still and numb, listen the drum, it's Jah heartbeat inside, we abide.
Zion Ragga.
Blow so free across the land, wind of Jah by holy hand. Carry seed and spread the song, guide the people all along. Every ghost a message true, every breeze a voice for you. Wind of Zion whisper clear, tell the world Jah spirit near. Wind of Jah blow far and wide, lift the soul, no need to hide. Carry love on wings unseen, keep the heart forever clean. It moved the tree, it shake the ground, it carry chanting sacred sound. It bring the rain, it cool the flame, blow away the world of shame. No man control, no king restrain. Wind of Jah forever reign, from desert dust to ocean shore. Wind of love forevermore. It guide the ship across the tide, it lift the eagle high in pride. It move the cloud, it shift the sky, tell the people never die. It speak true leaf, it sings true stone. Wind remind we not alone. Every breath it give to man, gift eternal from Jah hand. We step on the journey, through the hills and the valleys, we walk it surely. Urban on me and you feel the mercy. Jah guide me out pure and early. We stand and feel it on me skin, hear the holy voice within. It says stay firm, don't lose your way. Wind will guide you night and day. It move the drum, it move the song, carry chant the whole night long. No silence still, no chain can bind. Wind of Jah is free and kind. When the evening shadows grow, wind still whispers soft and low. It guard the child, it lift the old, tell the tale of love retold. From birth to death, from rise to fall, wind of Jah embrace us all. From start of time to endless years, wind dry all the people tears. Blow high, blow strong, wind of Jah forever long. No wall, no gate can stop the breeze. Wind of Jah brings soul at ease. Wind of Jah blow far and wide, lift the soul, no need to hide. Carry love on wings unseen.
Aye, aye, aye. Split deep in a this sweat, kaya man. Blowing free from mountain high, Zion wind across the sky. It carries song, it carry prayer. Zion wind everywhere. No man stop it, no man tame. Zion wind exalt your name, forever blow, pure and free. Zion wind eternity. Zion wind strong and true, carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound, Zion wind all around. It cool the fire, lift the flame. Zion wind call your name. Forever moving, never still. Zion wind, Jah will. It bless the valley, bless the sea. Zion wind for you and me. Eternal flowing, never cease. Zion wind bring Jah peace. Me hear it chant through the trees. Zion wind bring Jah breeze. It sing the song, it spread the word. Zion wind always heard. Forever holy, pure and bright. Zion wind, Jah light. It guide the child, it guide the land. Zion wind, Jah hand. It move eternal, strong and wide. Zion wind, the holy tide. No Babylon can chain the air. Zion wind everywhere. It call the nation, call the earth. Zion wind of holy birth. Eternal blowing, never gone. Zion wind, keep it strong. When the trumpet sound again, Zion wind still remain. Forever blowing, pure and free. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born. Blow strong, blow high. Zion wind across the sky. No chain, no wall can hold it down. Zion wind wear the crown. Zion wind, strong and true. Carry blessing for me and you. Every whisper, holy sound. Zion wind all around. From age to age, from night to morn. Zion wind, forever born. Ay, ay, ay. Zion Ragga, yeah, man. Deep within the hills so green, Jah Garden Bloom, the sacred scene. Tree of life and river clear. Voice of Zion always near. Every fruit a healing song. Feed the children, make them strong. Babylon hunger can't survive. Jah Garden keep we all alive. Morning dew upon the ground. Song of birds, the holy sound. Elders sit and tell the tale. Jah Garden truth will never fail. Every seed a word of love, falling down from skies above. Hands of children dig the soil. Heart of Zion bless the toil. Jah Garden never living free.
place of love and harmony. Come together, all mankind. Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. No more sorrow, no more fight. Garden shine with Jah light. Youth man plant and elder reap. Promise Jah forever keep. No more hunger, no more war. Jah Garden open door. From creation till the end. Jah Garden bless again. River flow and tree them sway. Children laugh and chant all day. Lion roam but harm no one. In Jah Garden under sun. Every nation, tongue and creed find together what them need. No division, no more pain. Jah Garden rule again. Plant the seed, let it grow. Jah Garden love overflow. Roots so strong, leaves so tall. Jah Garden feed us all. Jah Garden never living free. Place of love and harmony. Come together, all mankind. Jah Garden heal the heart and mind. Forever shining, lush and true. Jah Garden open for me and you.
Rasta Nation, yeah man. Me step on lion path again. No fear, no chill. Every breath I am, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Hey. Me climb mountain, me cross sea. Jah walk with my face trial, my face storm, but my spirit warm. Me heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can't swear. Me charge away. Me see the snake with spotlight, still me fly. Me see them plot in a dark, me spark. Me wear truth like crown, never bow down. Each step me take bold, my soul gold. The lion roar inside, my soul keep control. Me no crawl pan belly fi man, me follow Jah plan. Me move with humble pride, spirit guide. No fear of the night, me walk with light. Me learn to watch and wait, me no tempt fate. The lion part rough still, but strong will. Me stand when others fall, Jah call. Me carry my truth alone like stone. Yeah, on the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so wide, Jah by my side. Yeah, on the lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. Me rest by the ancient tree, hear the prophecy, my spirit connect with ground. Holy sound, the breeze carry me pain away. Me pray each scar tell story true. What me been through, me rise each time me fall. Jah call, the lion inside no sleep. This promise keep me guard my mind from sin. Strength within, every roar I praise. Jah ways, me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might. Jah light, me see the wicked tremble up. Them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta rain. Me no turn back for none. Me done way. On the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. Through valley deep and sky so wide, Jah by my side.
Way on the lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near. Way, so when me reach Zion gate, me celebrate. On the lion path me find peace of mind.